2,000 years later.
NANI?!
Hello everyone, this is Tommy right here, and as you see, I just unboxing the new 14-inch MacBook Pro with the Pro chip after my M1 is broken. Actually I just want to do more videos about the new 14-inch. That's why I decided to buy it. So that means there will be a lot of more contents related to this MacBook, and the comparisons benchmark will be uploaded on this channel. So be sure to keep it on up to date, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you for always supporting me. Appreciate that, and see you guys in the next video.